welcome to today's vlog. I am going to be sharing a day in the life with me. As you know, I have a daughter. Say hi, Jess.
Hi, Jess. Hi.
She's my daughter who has special needs, and today we are working on some things for her, independent. So we're going grocery shopping. So in my intro, I'm sure you saw the drive to Walmart. So we are about to do that, and in the meantime, I guess intermittently, I'm going to share with you some of my tips for blocking your calendar so that you can find balance with your family and your business. So stay tuned if that's something that you're interested in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an episode. All right, let's go ahead and get going, shall we? So the very first tip that I'm going to give you is to know your superpower. Hope you heard that. Okay, so I'm gonna try it again. So what is your value? So what is your superpower? What are your strengths? And when do you perform the best? At what time of day? So that's the first thing you need to know, okay? Okay, so the next tip or piece of advice that I want to share with you, if you want to find balance between your life and your business, is to find what motivates you. Because when you know what motivates you, it's easier for you to set intentions and goals. And your intentions are what it is you mean to happen. It means that you are putting forth the effort to do what it is you want to do and achieve the result that you want to achieve. So you need to know what motivates you, because in order for you to achieve those results, you have to keep wanting to do it. So you have to have an end game. And then you want to set the goals in the first place. And as you know, I am a big proponent of those SMART goals. So you want to make sure that they are specific, that you have a way to measure them, that they are absolutely attainable and not a dream. You want the goal to be relevant to whatever it is your end game is, and you definitely want to put a time constraint around it. So we've already talked about knowing what your superpower is, but now we want to be motivated to achieve our goals. And if we're going to want to stay balanced and be aligned, our personal life, aligning that with our business or our career, we definitely want to stay motivated. So know what it is that is going to do it for you, to light you on fire, to keep you pushing towards your goals. But you want to have those goals, and you want to set intentions with your actions that you're taking to move you towards achieving your goals. One of the things that really keeps me motivated is the fact that I have a desire to find success in my business and live a certain lifestyle. And so I always want to keep the way I look and the way I present myself kind of in line with that lifestyle. So I don't have a huge budget, but I do like to pull myself together well. So when I look good, I feel good. And when I feel good about how I look, I have confidence. And that is something that motivates me and pushes me forward. And it's so easy to align that with my personal life, because obviously I want to go on dates with my husband. I want to take my kids places, and I want to pull myself together and present myself well. I like hearing the compliments from people. Now, child, don't look at me today because I'm just out and about. As you know, at the beginning of this vlog, I was taking my daughter to the grocery store. So we did that. We went home and we completed her day. I'm on to a second day, I'm sure you can tell, but I wanted to finish out these tips for you. So yeah, it's relevant, and I am finding my motivation in looking nice and feeling good about how I look. And so I'm able to kind of keep pushing forward because I want that particular lifestyle. So I hope you see how that works. Now that I'm back home, I just decided to pop into the backyard so I can give you this last stage, this last piece of advice for finding better alignment with your personal life and your business or your career. And that is going to be to actually be productive. But in order for you to be productive, I really want you to find a way to create not only systems, but templates and some sort of a workflow. Now, I'd be happy to go into some more details. So if that sounds like something that you want to hear more about, let me know in the comments. Tell me, and I will walk you through how to create systems. I'll walk you through how to create templates, and I will walk you through how to create a workflow for yourself and your work day. I would be happy to do that. But definitely find a way to start moving toward those goals that you have and being motivated to move toward those goals by creating some way to be productive by way of systems, templates, and workflow. I hope you enjoyed this video because I think we get so bogged down in our day-to-day life and we think that for whatever reason we have to be perfect and things have to work just the way everybody else's things work. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me this week here on my channel. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video or videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you're not following me over on Instagram, what are we doing? Go over there and get that done. That's at AF Patrick. And I also will be bringing you a ton of more content. So if you are in the market to learn how to be more balanced and have alignment with your life, career, and business, if you want to be more efficient, effective, and aware as a leader, or child, if you just want to have a quality of life so that you don't feel like you are drowning every single day, stick around on this channel. Make sure you're commenting below. I want to hear from you. How are you aligning yourself? How are you finding balance in your life right now? Answer that question in the comments below and then stay tuned. We have got tons of amazing stuff coming down the pipeline towards the end of the year, and we're already working on 2022. Thanks, guys.